Welcome to Arun's Techforge Python programming series. I am Arun Barua and I welcome you to the Python programming series. So let us begin.
Today we will learn how to run Python programs. Okay, so let's go into the Ubuntu environment first. So let us run Python interactively. Okay, so python Python 3. I am in Python 3. Now I can write anything I like. Print, say, hello world. Okay, so immediately once I press enter, I get hello world. Similarly, a equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals to a plus b. Then if I write c, we get, if I write a, we get the value of a. If I write b, we get the value of b. We can also format it nicely, say result result equals to, then where is the result? C. Okay, you get the result. Now, one important thing to remember, once you are active in this cell, whatever variables you declared there, it will be in the memory. However, once you come out of the interactive cell, it means you quit that environment, all these variables will be lost. Now second time if you try, you type A, you won't get it, there will be an error. B, similarly C, all it says name ABC is not defined, right? If you want to persist this, if you want to use these variables later, then you have to save it in a file. Now while working in Python, you will get two types of extension. All Python programs are actually saved as .py extension. Okay. However, if you use Jupyter Notebook, then the extension will be different. It will be .ipynb. It means IPython Notebook. Okay. In any other IDEs like PyCharm, Eclipse, Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text Atom, Simple Text Editor or VI Editor, wherever you write the program, you have to save it in .py extension. Now let us write an example. I will be using VI hello.py. Okay. Now let us write print hello let me do it again quickly. Print hello world. Okay, here you won't get the result immediately because you are writing it in a file, and we have to run this particular file once we save it. Now say let's a equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals to a plus b. print result equals to, then C. Now let us save this file. Okay. Now ls, you will get this particular file ls/l. So in order to run anything in Windows, you have to make it executable, right? This is step you have to do only in Windows. So you have to use chmod plus X. I'm sorry, I think I told Windows. You can only need to do chmod in Linux and not Windows. Okay, then hello.py. Now let's say ls, you see it will be in green color, and if you see ls/l, you get a extension that is executable. Now if you write python 3 hello.py, you get hello world and result equals to 30. Now let us edit this file again and enter something else. What it is doing, okay, let it be B, let it be C, let it be print hi again. Okay, WQ, let's save and quiet, let's open. Yeah, it's there. Now see, we have edited the file. If we write python python 3 hello.py, we are getting this. Okay, so if you save the file, it can be used later. You can run again and again. So let us run the same program in Windows. Okay, so let us first run Python. Here I am using Python, not Python 3. The reason is I have installed Python 3, only Python 3 in with this Windows environment, and it is already I made the path. Okay, I set the environment variable as Python. However, in the Ubuntu there are two versions installed, Python 2.7 and 3.6, so I have exclusively used Python 3. Okay, rest all are same. Now here we are into the interactive cell environment. We can write the same thing, hello world. Okay, you get the result immediately. A equals to 10, B equals to say 20, C equals to A plus B. You write A, you get the result of A, B, you get the result of B, C, you get the result of C. You can also write print sult result equals to C. Okay, you can get a nice result. If you quit from this environment, commit again, you won't get this, as I said before, right? Okay, now here also let us create a program. So here I will be using Notepad, or I have also Sublime Text. I can use this particular Sublime Text also. Okay, so let's use Sublime Text here. Okay, Sublime Text is open. Okay, so let us type print hello world, right? A equals to 10, B equals to 20, C equals to A plus B, print result equals to comma and C. Let us save this file in our desktop. Okay, let's save it in our desktop, and it is hello py was there, so I will use hello world.py. Okay, and remember this should be star all files. Okay, save this particular file, so you will get a nice colored syntax here in Sublime Text. Now if we want to run this, we can run from here. See, Python hello 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 world.py. Okay, so here I am not getting right because I am using Unity mode and sharing the desktop from my Mac machine. So let us do one thing. I have git bash here, bash bash, yeah, git bash. Let me open it quickly. It opened twice. This is a little slow. Okay, so I can use Linux command here. I like Linux. So let me cd to tilde slash desk desktop. Okay, ls. I can see, no, that file is not here also in this desktop where it is referring. Oh, hello world. See, I have to use this particular command C. Let me cd. This won't happen in your system. This is happening only in my system because I am actually using VM with Unity mode. Here I can't go to that particular desktop. Okay, I will quickly do the same thing for you guys from here also. Oh, what I did, this hello world.py, see, give me a minute please. cd, I don't know how we can go it in this particular, it does not support that. Nice thing. Just give me a minute please. Let me open bash again. Touch hello world 1.py. Okay, hello world 1.py. Let's see if I can use vi here. Yes, then let us quickly write print hello world. Okay, I'm getting this. Enter. A equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals to a plus b, print result equals to c. Okay, 1 minute, we have to close it down. Okay, then this wq. Now we see ls, ls hello world 1.py. It is there. Now we run this particular thing. From here, if we can see dir hell hello, I don't know, it don't show from there. Anyway, let us write python python hello world 1.py. You get the output here. See. Okay, so this is the way you can either use your Windows environment or Linux environment and play like this. You have to keep in mind that in this Windows I use the git bash command. This is another shell which is similar, very much similar like the Linux shell, so you have to download this. Okay, I think it is not needed for you. You can use directly your Windows command prompt. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. We will continue in later videos. Thank you. Happy learning.